What's up guys, Jack from Half Chrome. I've got the Syma X8 Pro. This is the GPS version of one of our old tried and true favorites, the Syma X8. So how does the new GPS version stack up? Let's find out. All right, so let me tell you what I like about this drone. I love the design. I love the snap-in feet. Propellers are easy to put on, even the prop guards are. The camera as well. The camera is an HD quality camera, and you can even adjust the angle from the remote, which is nice. What I don't like about it, flying this thing, right? It is just not quite right. I've seen that from other YouTubers. This thing, for whatever reason, the GPS isn't calibrated, or it isn't getting the signals, or it gets confused. We'll show you, but we got it up in the air, and yes, we can fly it. No, it didn't fly away, but we got some jitters in it. We did lose it at about, I don't know, maybe 15, 20 meters away. That should never happen. So would I recommend this Pro version with the GPS? No. What I would recommend, a standard Syma X8. This thing is awesome. One of my favorite drones of all time. We've crashed the heck out of this one and some of the other models we've had. Other than maybe some paint chips, it flies like a champ. What I would recommend is get the cheapest one you can, right? If you want altitude hold or you don't, that's up to you. But then you add this stabilizer here for a camera, an action camera. It's got some rubber mounts that kind of help protect a little bit from jello, and you can put a GoPro or an inexpensive action camera on here and get really, really good quality footage. You can even pair these Symas to your jumper remotes and get better range. I would do that before I'd go invest in one of these GPS drones that isn't quite all put together. So yes, I like this one. This is pretty much any other Syma X8 model without GPS. Much better deal. Excellent, excellent beginner drone. We're gonna get this Syma up in the air so you can see just what we're talking about right off the bat. You can see we struggled a little bit. Take a look. You know, it is a really nice looking quad. We really like the look of the Syma X8 lineup. Very similar to the DJI Phantom, probably patterned after it. As you can see, sometimes it's stable. We're not holding controls here. Well, now it's started to drift a little bit on us, and kind of sometimes there's a little toilet bowl effect. Right now it's kind of stabilized again. Oh, there it goes, kind of drifting a little bit more. So here we're flying it. You can see a little twitchy there. So you fly it around. We're going to do some maneuvers. It's not quite responding the way we like. But, you know, it's kind of back and forth. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. Flying back at us. Whoa, I'm not sure what that was, but definitely GPS maybe interfering or getting confused. But yeah, this drone, it's controllable, but, you know, that's not what you want to say about a drone. You want to say this is a nice, easy flyer. This is not a nice, easy flyer. So right off the bat, the camera looks good up until we get it in the air. You can see the quality degrades quite a bit. And it's not that the camera itself is bad, because the camera itself is actually pretty good quality, but with those servo motors able to move the camera up and down, you get a lot of jello. It bounces around in that housing, and it really takes a toll on the video quality. Guys, thanks for watching. We've got more at halfchrome.com. Make sure you check that out, and we have links in the description below and on our website that'll help us out. So you click on those at no cost to you, and we can keep making videos so you can find what is the best drone for you.